Disclaimer. Hello guys, my name is Hydrocoin. I'm just a college student, so please be advised that all of my videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Good evening, everybody. I hope you are having a wonderful Christmas holiday during the month of December. I hope you are staying safe during this pandemic and having a great time. Now, this article brought to my attention, this article is about 11 days old, but I thought it was really interesting, especially since I have a video previously based on silicon and some fake sites out there that are scamming a lot of people and trying to bring awareness to ASICs, because really when you're talking about crypto, ASICs are honestly the best way to go. They are the dedicated machines that if you're really serious about crypto, if you can get your hands on them, that's what you really need. But a lot of the ASICs, they're in closed circuits. It's really who you know. It's not necessarily out there to the public for everyone to get. Usually it's first come first serve, and the people who get it first are always the ones who know the manufacturers and have a personal relationship with them, which is unfortunate, but that's kind of how the game goes. However, Foundry has launched a Bitcoin mining machine marketplace in the US, which is good. Now, I've never ordered from Foundry. I'll obviously link this article in the description as well as their website. You can learn about, Foundry, what they are. If you didn't even know, they do have a pool here in US and they're very big and really nice. Foundry is more or less institutionalized, and what I mean by that is, yes, you can be on the pool if you're not a big company, that's fine, but they're mostly focusing on institutional. And when you go to the Foundry X, which you can access from their website here, you will see it's supposedly a trusted marketplace for buying and selling crypto mining machines. Now, what I don't like about this is when you hit buy or sell, it just brings you down to this a little form, basically for you to fill out, and they'll get back to you. I get that you need to fill out some information and let them know, hey, I'm interested, here's my information, get back with me. That's great, I do like that, but I would like to see how much their machines are, how many they have, and what type of machines that they do have. And unfortunately, if you're selling machines or if you're buying, you still have to fill out the same thing, and the information really isn't that high to begin with, and that kind of bothers me. Now, I've never dealt with Foundry before. I don't necessarily know if I would trust them, but it's not because they're not necessarily a trusting company or that this is a trusting website. It's for the fact that my information on them is very limited, as I've never dealt with them. And honestly, truthfully, before this article came out from Bitcoin.com, I've personally never heard of them. I actually use, I believe it's FlexPool is what I do. And as far as ASICs, I don't own any ASICs, mostly because, again, a lot of the people who own ASICs, a lot of ASICs, they know the manufacturers, they know how to get a hold of them, like, hey, I know you've got some stock, I need this, and they pay quite a bit of money, especially since a majority of those, if not all, are companies built from China, so you have to, pay for shipping, international shipping, plus you have to go through customs. It's a lot of money. It's a really big hassle, and for someone like myself who really doesn't have a whole lot of money, which is probably what majority of people who are in crypto do, they don't really have a whole lot of money. ASICs are not necessarily the way to go. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you've dealt with this company before, post in the description below whether or not they can be trusting, or if this is really genuinely a good company. This is actually interesting because if they can be trusted, then this opens up a whole new market, especially since it's based here in the United States.